Hey guys, I am Tom Court, and today I am going to talk through one of my favorite features on the GoPro Hero 8. Okay, so because I do so many different sports, one of my favorite features is the ability to have your different presets set up on the camera. It comes with a standard preset, with an activity preset, cinematic preset, and it comes with a slow-mo preset. This depends on what I'm shooting so that I can quickly change between mediums on the go. Set the camera up in each preset how you would like it to run. I set my standard mode up at 1080p at 60 frames a second so that I am ready to go for my regular POV mouth mount shots that I use quite a lot in my videos. Then I have the activity set up at 120 frames a second so that it uses the regular codec. At 1080p again on super view wide, so also it is good for some visceral action. My cinematic setup set at 4K at 30 frames a second. Then I have my slow-mo setup at 240 frames a second. This is for some real detailed shots that I use actually quite rarely, but when I'm filming something really fast or really detailed and close up, that the GoPro is so good for. When you go deep into these presets, you have the Pro Tune options, which allows you to do all sorts of things like limit your ISO range, change your shutter speed, manage your low light settings, and really just have full control over your shot in each one of the GoPro Hero 8's modes. You can fully customize your individual presets, you can change the names, and you can pre-save up to 10 different custom settings for different uses right on the camera. The same can be said for the photo mode and also the time-lapse mode. I hope you find these tips useful, and I hope this video allows you to get more out of your Hero 8.